Hi, today we will be showing you how to administer fluids to your pet. What you have to do is first you have to make sure you grab a clean needle. So you go ahead and take off the old one and get the new one. And you just simply insert it like this. When you're going to administer fluids to your pet, you want to go between the shoulder blades since that's where they have the most skin. You just pick up their skin like this, make a little tent, and then with your index finger, just kind of poke where you're going to insert your needle. You take the cap off. And you want to make sure that the eye of the needle is pointing upwards. Now, when you're inserting this into your pet, you also want to make sure it is parallel to the spine to make sure you don't poke. So you just simply give it a good squeeze and poke. Good job. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna release the fluids by simply just turning the knob here. Sometimes there will be a little, right here you just give it a little massage to make sure that it's not stiff, and it'll help the fluids go faster. It is important to give your pet fluids if they have any signs of dehydration. So if they're not eating well or drinking well, or even if they're vomiting, you can bring them in for an appointment and the doctor will determine if your pet needs fluid. We also administer fluid to our pets who have kidney problems. And just remember to not administer fluids to your pet if a doctor has not directed you to do so. So we started here at 3 and she gets 100, so we're gonna go all the way down to 4. So she is about halfway done. This usually takes about anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes, just kind of depending on how fast the fluids are. If you're doing this at home, you can have someone like I have here, Erica, helping me hold. And then also, if you don't have anywhere to hang your fluids, you can have someone else hold them for you or yourself. And a lot of owners have told me that they even use clothes hangers to hold their fluids for them. You're doing a good job. There you go. Now she's almost done. Let's see where she's at. Oh yeah, she's almost at the 4. So she's about 75% done here. If you don't feel comfortable doing this at home, you can always bring your pet in for a tech appointment where one of our technicians can administer the fluids, and we can even teach you how to give fluids. But like I said, if you don't feel comfortable enough, you can always bring your pet in and we can do it for you. Let's see. Oh, and she is almost at the 4 yet. So once she got the 100 mLs that were directed by a doctor, I'm gonna go ahead and close off the fluids here to stop them. I'll get a piece of gauze and then pinch her skin just for a few seconds to kind of help the fluids not come out of the skin. And then that's it. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and cap my needle. And next time that we administer fluids, we'll go ahead and change it to a new needle again.